Hi guys, I'm Manu from TwinsAI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect with your Outreach CRM. So first of all, let's go to your profile and click on settings. Scroll to your integrations and scroll down to see Outreach. Connect with Outreach and make sure that you're connected with your Outreach applications in the same web browser. So go to our dialer and click on this icon, and once you click there, click on the contact list, and you're able to see your contacts list from Outreach. So for now, I only have two lists, which are demo list and test sequence Outreach. I'm going to click on the demo list, and from there, I'm able to fetch my list from there. And in this way, when you make any calls from TwinsAI, all the call recordings, dispositions, transcriptions, and the notes will be posted in Outreach as well. And we can start dialing. Have a good one.